Here's how I transform my lighting from this to this. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to tackle an issue that's been frustrating me for the longest time. It's nothing to do with the car, it's my garage. The lighting in my garage really sucks, and it's really dim all the time. I always have to use, I guess, a work light or a trouble light just to get extra lighting, and having to move those items around all the time in the garage just to see more light in certain areas is really frustrating. Today I'm actually going to be installing these Barrina T5 LED lights. I'm just going to show you guys in a sec basically the before and what my current state of my garage is right now. And then obviously after I install these, we'll see an after and kind of compare to see if this made a difference or not. But for most people that have installed these on YouTube, it looks like it made a 9-day difference. It was so much brighter. I have 12 of these tubes versus the 4, I guess, T12 tubes that I have right now in my garage. So I'm thinking it will definitely give me a lot more light, but how much brighter, we'll have to see. So let's just go downstairs and I'll show you what my garage is like right now. So this here is my current state of my garage. I mean, standing here, you don't really notice too much, but over there, it's really dim in this area. As you notice, the ceiling is basically blocking a lot of the light. I will be installing some tubes here, so we get like a full-on blast of light. But over here, this area is very, very dim. And that's basically the current state of the garage. I mean, I can get a little bit more light by turning on the garage door motor light. So you get a little bit more light like that. I'll show you guys from the other end of what I'm seeing most of the time since I'm always at the back of the car. I know guys, it's a mess. Everything's a mess. But it's basically like this. It's really dim. You notice it's super dim right there. Super dim in that area, all the shadows and stuff. Really can't see much when I'm on this side. I can't see a lot when I'm on, like, I guess the side here. Because most of the lighting is just right here and here. The fixtures don't really light up the whole garage. So I would say it's really inefficient the way that it's designed for lighting. But that's basically the current state. So let me show you guys what's inside the box right now. This is all the stuff that you see. These are all the installation stuff. So the plugs that go onto the LED tubes. These connect the tubes together. I believe you can consecutively connect 8 tubes together. You get some hard wires to kind of wire it directly to a power outlet if you wanted to. These are also mounting hardware. These are the LEDs. I guess they're 48 inches long. So these are pretty nice and long. I mean, they're light. They're really light. But I hear that, you know, although it feels kind of cheap and flimsy, they actually work really well. At least that's what people on YouTube say. And that's basically it. So let's just get to the install. All right, so first step, guys, is to turn off the power to the garage and then remove the light fixture. So I routed some power from the other room and used my spotlight so I get some lighting in here. So what I'm going to be installing is this plate here and a new receptacle. All right, so that's replaced with a new receptacle now. So all I have to do is just plug in the lights into there and I should be able to mount them everywhere. So I'm going to start off by mounting some of the lights here first, and then I'm going to plug them in. And then as I move on towards the back, I'll replace that fixture as well. Now it's time to mark off where I want the lights before I screw them in. This was actually the toughest part. As they say, always measure twice. Now let's screw in the brackets. One done and many more to go. It's really coming along, so much brighter already. Check it out, guys. So this is the new lighting in the garage. It is a lot brighter. Like a lot brighter. I'll show you guys from the other side. I'm actually going to be leaving some of these switches up and just dangling like that because I want to be able to shut off certain areas, save energy when I don't need it. But holy crap, just look at that. So much brighter. So far, I'm really impressed with these Barrina T5 LEDs. I just need to kind of hide some of the wires. I guess I'm going to use some of those wire cover things. I'm going to look on Amazon to see if I could get some of those. But other than that, wow. That's all for the install. So far, I'm really impressed with the lights. What do you guys think? Anyways, if you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and maybe share my videos. As always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.